Bird will spend 6 to 20 years in prison. As part of a plea deal, this judge could have given her 2 years, but it was clear he was fed up with her antics.
I'm here to apologize to the family. I'm so sorry.
Facing years in prison, Marcia Bird apologizes for her actions, but ultimately, Judge Eric Johnson says he didn't believe her act.
My mom was just 3 blocks from her home that day.
That day in December 2019, a camera caught Bird on Tropical Parkway near Torrey Pines, driving this SUV under the influence, speeding and passing cars. She then crashed into 53-year-old Gilma Rodriguez Walters, a single mother of 3 and a grandmother.
My daughter, who shares the same birthday as her grandmother, still cries for her grandma.
Rodriguez Walters' family and the judge accusing Bird of using every trick to extend her freedom.
We've seen her dressed in a bright red suit, hair and makeup done, walk into the courtroom, sit on a bench, and apply bandages to herself inside of the courtroom in an effort to gain sympathy.
As the I-Team first reported in March, shortly after the crash, Bird violated her conditions of release with alcohol detected in her system. Bird's attorney arguing at the time she was battling breast cancer and that alcohol may have been from her hair products. Prosecutors arguing for a judge to increase her bail, warning she was a flight risk. Earlier this year, Bird failed to show up in court, a warrant issued for her arrest.
I lost control of the car.
In court Tuesday, Judge Johnson didn't buy Bird's final pleas.
I don't believe you really have any real remorse in this instance. We're here today because ultimately you had nowhere left to hide.
Bird then again speaking out of turn.
I have remorse.
I have remorse, she said there. Bird was on house arrest up until sentencing today. She said she had skipped court earlier this year because her nurse had written down the wrong court date. I'm David Sharns, live local now.